Good morning, YouTube. This is Leo again over here at Eurotek Tuning for another awesome upgrade that we're going to be doing here on the C63S AMG. I'm not sure if you guys have been following us, but if you have not, go ahead and check us out over at Eurotek Tuning on our YouTube page. Anyway, so here we are with our C63S, and today we're going to be installing this AWE catback exhaust system, something we've been long after and looking for. The performance gains are pretty substantial considering it's just a catback. Why a catback? I'm sure a lot of you are going to ask, why are we doing a catback and not a turbo back and not deleting the downpipes like a lot of the guys are doing? Well, mostly because of emissions. Okay, so at the end of the day, we don't want to get in trouble here. We want to play by the rules. The EPA does not play around, and so playing with the catback system, we're still remaining all the factory emissions components. So yes, while we sacrifice some of the performance potential gains that we could have gotten had we done a set of downpipes out there, we would have put ourselves at risk of getting in trouble, and it's just not worth it. So this awesome catback system from AWE, I'll share with you guys the horsepower gains, and of course we're going to do our usual. We're going to put this car on the racetrack and see what kind of performance gains we actually experience, what kind of a lap improvement we actually experience with the car on track. So stay tuned while we do this install. So here we are again at SPEEDVEGAS today with a C63S AMG build that we're doing, and this is an after install of the AWE catback exhaust system that we've done on the car. So if you guys have been following us, you'll know the step-by-step process we've taken with the parts, and so this round was with the catback exhaust. Now granted, if you guys remember in the last episode, we had some troubles with tires we did with the Toyos. We're going to revisit that in a future episode as we got a new set of tires. But in the meantime, you know, the fun doesn't stop, right? So got some track time. I'm show you some of the footage, and which includes some of the sound clips of the exhaust system. Man, this system is sweet. Fitment was awesome. All the valves work like they're supposed to. Going into sport mode, I got nothing to complain about it. So stay tuned. Watch the rest of it. guys, there you have it. Phenomenal system. Love the sound. The car does feel a little more torquey, but you know, it's a heavy car. You're not going to feel grand amounts of power. When we put the car on the racetrack, like we've been developing on all of our other upgrades, we did not notice a performance improvement on the car, but that's kind of expected with exhaust systems these days. Not to mention we've got an increase in temperatures. We had some tire issues going on. So I'm not going to say that this wasn't a performance gain. I'm just going to say it was a very mild performance gain on the car. Overall, very happy with the system and the quality of the product. Installation was awesome, and I would recommend this product for anybody. If any of you are interested, we do sell it at our website, etektuning.com. Talk to you soon.